Reit, hwnna yn fyna ydy y barcud Minesto sydd wedi bod yn y dŵr yn barod oddi ar Caergybi fel y rhan o'r prosiect yma sydd yn hynod o gyffroes o ran cynhyrchu ynni gwyrdd môr oedd ar Ynys Môn. This is it. This is the Minesto kite that has been wet. It's been in the water off Ynys Môn, and this is technology that we should be really proud is being developed here on Anglesey. And David, Chief Operating Officer of Minesto, is with me. You've taken me to have a look at the kit. Are you happy with the way the project's going now?
Very, very happy, yeah. We've learned a lot from the testing we did last year. And as you can see, we're doing some upgrades and modifications to make it work even better this year. So we're looking forward to getting it back out into the water in the spring, summer, and do some further long-scale testing, yeah.
And as you were telling me earlier, there's no better place as far as you as a company can see to try out this technology and hopefully develop it for the future.
Around the UK, this is absolutely the best place to fly the kite, and we look forward to getting it to a point where it's commercial and then putting a full commercial array in Holyhead Deep.
Yeah. Flying the kites and flying the flag for green energy, for marine energy, and for Anglesey as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much.